In today's world, attention is cheap. Almost everyone is trying to impress, compete, and earn validation. A woman may receive messages from countless men every day, each hoping that money, appearance, charm, or constant attention will make them stand out. Yet most of them fail because they all follow the same predictable pattern. They chase, they praise, they become available at every moment, and without realizing it, they make themselves ordinary. The greatest mistake a man can make is believing attraction is won through effort alone. The harder he tries to prove his value, the more he communicates insecurity. Real confidence never begs to be noticed. It exists quietly and speaks through actions rather than words. People naturally remember those who remain authentic instead of those who desperately seek approval. True influence is built on mystery, emotional control, and purpose. A man who has direction in his own life does not abandon it simply to gain someone's attention. He respects his own time, values his own peace, and understands that his worth is never determined by another person's opinion. That quiet certainty creates curiosity because it is rare. Most people reveal everything about themselves too quickly. They constantly text, explain, compliment, and seek reassurance. Predictability slowly destroys excitement because there is nothing left to discover. Mystery does not mean playing games or pretending not to care. It means allowing your life to remain full without depending on someone else's validation to feel complete. The man who stands apart is not louder or more attractive than everyone else. He simply refuses to compete in a race that leads nowhere. While others fight for attention, he focuses on building himself. His calm presence, emotional discipline, and confidence naturally draw interest because they cannot be easily copied. People remember emotions far longer than words. They forget compliments, but never forget how someone made them feel. Lasting attraction grows from meaningful conversations, genuine presence, and moments that leave a lasting impression. It is never created through endless gifts or constant availability. It comes from depth, sincerity, and emotional intelligence. Self-respect is the foundation of every strong relationship. When you know your value, you stop chasing people who continually ignore your effort. You stop forcing connections that lack mutual respect. Instead, you invest your energy where appreciation exists. This mindset protects your peace while increasing your confidence. Real strength is shown through patience, restraint, and emotional stability. A man who remains calm under pressure communicates more power than someone who constantly reacts to every situation. Silence used wisely often carries greater impact than endless explanations because confidence never needs to defend itself. Instead of asking how to impress someone, ask whether your own life reflects the person you want to become. Build your purpose, strengthen your discipline, improve your character, and create a future that excites you. When your identity is built on self-mastery instead of approval, people naturally begin to notice the difference. The goal is never to become someone who manipulates others. The goal is to become someone so grounded, authentic, and emotionally secure that your presence leaves a lasting impression without forcing anything. Those who constantly compete become forgettable. Those who master themselves become unforgettable. The greatest advantage any man can develop is emotional independence. When your happiness no longer depends on another person's attention, your confidence becomes genuine instead of performed. You stop reacting to every delayed message, every change in mood, or every small disappointment because your peace comes from within. That quiet stability becomes one of the rarest qualities anyone can possess. People are naturally drawn toward those who have purpose beyond relationships. A meaningful life creates an energy that cannot be faked. Instead of making someone the center of your world, continue building your goals. expanding your knowledge, protecting your health, and strengthening your character. When your life has direction, your presence carries weight because it reflects discipline rather than desperation. The strongest connections are never built on constant validation. They are built on mutual respect, trust, and emotional understanding. Someone remembers you not because you tried the hardest, but because every interaction felt genuine and different from the ordinary. Authenticity always leaves a deeper mark than performance. A person who respects themselves knows when to stay and when to leave. Walking away from situations that repeatedly drain your energy is not weakness. It is proof that your standards are stronger than your fear of being alone. Those who refuse to sacrifice their dignity often gain the respect that endless chasing could never earn. Your words should always match your actions. Speak with intention, listen more than you talk, and allow your confidence to be demonstrated through consistency rather than promises. Calm behavior during difficult moments reveals more strength than emotional reactions ever could. True authority is quiet, controlled, and impossible to shake. Every experience in life is an opportunity to become wiser. Every rejection teaches resilience, every setback builds discipline, and every challenge reveals areas where you can improve. Instead of blaming circumstances or seeking constant approval, use every obstacle to become mentally stronger and emotionally balanced. The people who leave the greatest impression are those who inspire growth in others. They encourage deeper conversations, offer fresh perspectives, and create moments that remain unforgettable long after they are gone. Their influence comes from authenticity, not manipulation, because real connection is created through honesty, empathy, and emotional maturity. Attraction, respect, and influence are never things you can force. They naturally follow when your life reflects confidence, purpose, and self-mastery. The more you invest in becoming your best self, the less you need to compete for anyone's attention. Your value becomes visible without explanation. The final lesson is simple. Choose yourself before seeking to be chosen. Protect your peace, maintain your standards, and never abandon your values for temporary approval. Build a life that feels complete with or without anyone else's validation. When you become emotionally grounded, disciplined, and authentic, you no longer chase recognition because your character speaks louder than your words. The person who masters himself will always leave a stronger and more lasting impression than the one who spends his life trying to impress everyone else.